Do you need help? Are you hurt? I can help you. It looks like your car's on fire. Can you help me get out? All right, I'm gonna help you. All right, let's get away from the car. There we go. All right, everything's gonna be cool. I can help you. I have a first aid kit here. I'm gonna go ahead and help you. We're just gonna go ahead and take care of this leg, all right? Hey, what's your name? Sarah? Sarah, I'm here to help you, okay? Now this might pinch a little bit, but this is gonna help you, all right? It's gonna help you stop bleeding. All right, you feel that pinch? That's the blood stopping, okay? All right, Sarah, we're gonna take care of your arm here, all right? All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, hi, you with me, Sarah? All right, Sarah, it looks like you got a little bit of blood on your head. What I wanna do is I'm gonna wrap this around your head, okay? All right, there we go. You're doing fantastic. You are doing fantastic, Sarah. You, call 911. Yes, sir. What happened? Too much Red Bull today? Is that what happened? You had a little too much Red Bull?
I don't know.
Oh, that's okay. That's all right. We're gonna fix you up here. There we go.